Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the Garena Free Fire update from my Google Play Store. So I decided to update this Free Fire. But unfortunately it shows on error notification. Cannot update Garena Free Fire Illuminate. Try again, and if it still does not work, see common ways to fix the problem. So I try to press this link. So now my phone browser is opening and they're showing some tips to troubleshoot this issue. But I tried all the possible ways, but it did not work. So I tried to press got it. And then I tried to tap this update notification. But now this time it shows one more error message. Something went wrong, try again. So how to fix this issue? So my answer is this is not a error, which means that if you are from India, this Free Fire is completely banned in India. So how to check it, if it is banned or not? So by simply search Free Fire in Google search and then try to access this Garena official site. So here they mentioned if you like to download this Free Fire for iOS and Android, just select your platform. So I select Google Play Store. So next you can select Play Store. But friends, now this time you can see it does not find that Free Fire in Play Store. So the conclusion of this video is this is not possible to fix this cannot update or cannot install error messages because this Free Fire is completely banned in India and the same problem also occurs in iOS platforms. So friends, if you are a Free Fire lover, just comment to me what's your opinion about this Free Fire banned in India. So anyway, I finished up my tutorial. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.